Good day everyone. This video I will discuss the requirements to be complied under MARPOL Annex 4, 5, and 6. Let's start with MARPOL Annex 4. MARPOL Annex 4 is crucial for preventing pollution from sewage discharged by ships. Approved sewage treatment plants. Ship over 400 gross tonnage or carrying more than 15 people must have an approved STP. Comminuting disinfecting system. If an STP is not installed, ship can use a system that grinds and disinfects sewage. This allows discharge at a distance of more than 3 nautical miles from land. Holding tanks. Ship can store sewage in a holding tank until it can be discharged at an appropriate shore reception facility. However, discharge is restricted to distance of more than 12 nautical miles from land. Special areas, stricter regulations. Special areas like the Baltic Sea have stricter regulations. Discharge of untreated sewage is prohibited in these areas, and even treated sewage must meet higher standards. Record keeping. Sewage record book. Ship must maintain a detailed record of all sewage discharge, transfers, and STP operations. This record is vital for inspection by port state control authorities. And next is MARPOL Annex 5. MARPOL Annex 5 is all about keeping our ocean clean from ship garbage. MARPOL Annex 5 strictly prohibits the discharge of plastic into the sea due to their long decomposition time and the harm they cause the marine life. Entanglement and ingestion by animal can lead to injury, starvation, and death. Other garbage types have varying discharge rules based on the distance from land. For example, food waste can be discharged at a certain distance, often requiring comminuting or maceration when closer to shore. Paper products, rugs, glass, and metal also have a specific discharge distance with restriction in place. Special areas defined in MARPOL Annex 5 have even stricter discharge regulations. In areas like the Mediterranean Sea, Baltic Sea, and the Red Sea, the discharge of most garbage type is severely limited or prohibited entirely. Ships are mandated to have a garbage management plan that details how garbage will be handled, stored, and disposed of, along with crew training procedures. Garbage record keeping is crucial. Ship must maintain a detailed record of all generated garbage, its type, and disposal methods. This record is essential for inspections by port state control authorities. Non-compliance with MARPOL Annex 5 can result in significant penalties, including fines and potential ship detentions. And last is MARPOL Annex 6. MARPOL Annex 6 focuses significantly on addressing the emission of sulfur oxides. Sulfur in ship fuel is a major source of sulfur oxides, causing acid rain and harming human health and the environment. To counter this, the Annex sets limits on marine fuel sulfur content. Different areas have varying limits. In sulfur emission control areas, the Baltic Sea, North Sea, and the specific US and Canadian coastal regions, the sulfur content must be as low as 0.1% or less, while in other global areas, it's currently capped at 0.5%. Another crucial aspect of Annex 6 is the control of nitrogen oxides. Nitrogen oxides emission contribute to smog, acid rain, and ground level ozone formations. The Annex has established tiered standard for nitrogen oxides emission based on engine power and construction year. with newer engines required to meet more stringent limits. Additionally, it regulates particulate matter emissions, as these tiny particles can have severe health impacts. Controlling fuel sulfur content and implementing others measures help reduce particulate matter emissions from ships. As a maritime student, these annexes, it is important our responsibility to understand and comply with these regulations to contribute to a cleaner and healthier marine environment. Thank you.